Installation method of electric roller shutter synchronization. First of all, let's get to know each other. Now the function of this electric rolling shutter machine, there is this power supply, power switch, electric roller shutter and climber. So what's the first step? Then we have to fix this rolling shutter machine. Use this variable diameter sleeve for this rolling shutter machine, attached to this rolled film plate. This variable diameter cover has a plastic cover inside. This is prevention, useful 4 tubes. When using 6 pipes, just remove this plastic cover. Put it on the winch, then fasten with 8 screws. Roller shutter installed at the other end. In the horizontal direction. Then install the climber. The climber should be placed on a climbing tube perpendicular to the ground. Pin with 6 screws. Then the preliminary installation of the rolling shutter machine is completed. Subsequently, we plug in the power. One end of the power supply is plugged directly into on exchange 220. The other end is connected to the electric rolling shutter machine. After the connection is completed, then electric shutter machine. There is an adjustment button on the electric roller shutter machine. The circle of this adjustment button is 4 meters. That is, a grid is a turn. When ventilating, how high is the ventilation height? Direct adjustment. Just rotate the button. There is a limit on it. The switch will automatically stop when it arrives. When we are done debugging, buckle up the waterproof cover. We rely directly on the power switch. Control the forward and reverse rotation of the electric shutter machine. The installation of the electric rolling shutter machine is these. The installation is complete.